Andrea from the Art of Donut, and today we're going to be reusing old donuts to make French toast. The ingredients that we will be using today will be egg, butter, caramelized bacon, French toast cereal, an old donut, milk, and cinnamon. Now that we have the eggs in the container, we will be adding 1/4 of a cup of milk and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we will be mixing all of our ingredients. So we're gonna put the butter in the pan. And after cutting our donut in half, we will dunk it in the egg. Now we are ready to put it in the pan. We're gonna flip it. We will flip it one more time. And we will repeat the same for the next half. We are going to put a little bit of whipped cream. We will top it with toast crunch cereal, maple syrup, and lastly, our caramelized bacon. And voila,